Becky Bailey. We are at Please and Thank You Retail Gift Store at Rosemont Road in 264 in Virginia Beach. So Please and Thank You has been in business since 1999. The original owner had this brainchild of packaging together gifting with a retail gift with food and making it all available to professionals for their gifting. Post-COVID, I had been in the event marketing business, as well as my husband was also in a similar industry. So after that, we were like, we really wanted to own our own business. While we had been entrepreneurs, it wasn't a business focus. While we had been looking at other things, nothing just really set the fire in me as much as just gifting, because one, I love to shop, I love to gift, and I thought that our marketing endeavors could really, really take the store to just so many wonderful places. You are a gifter and love to gift, or even if you don't love to gift, but have people that are really hard to buy for, what do I give them? They have everything. This is the place to come. If you have an occasion that's really hard to buy for, say whether it be a sympathy or a thinking of you gift, this is the place to come. It really touches my heart that we are able to just do very unique things and really hit on those things that you really just don't quite know what to do or where to go or how to handle it yourself. So we have all the answers.